Hello everyone, this is IVU from OrangeTee entire AG division. Today I'll be showing you a 4A high floor corner unit located at Block 881 Tampines Street 84. This unit is 103 square meter with 3 regular sized bedrooms. Come, let's check it out. Our unit has a highly efficient and versatile layout. The spacious living room gives you a complete freedom in arranging your own furniture and allowing you to divide up the space for different uses.
The kitchen is functional layout with useful kitchen cabinets for storage. The bedrooms are good-sized squarish layout that allows you easy home decor. The master bedroom is spacious and well-lit, easily can fit a king-size bed. Our Tampines Hub Hawker Centre, Tampines Mall, Tampines 1 and Century Square is all located within walking distance away. Within a short drive, you will reach IKEA Tampines, Giant Hypermart and Tampines Round Market and Food Centre. If you enjoy sports activity, you can head on to Tampines Central Park, Tampines Echo Green, Tampines Safra and also the swimming complex. There are many choices for families with schooling kids, namely St. Hilda's Primary, Po Ching School, St. Hilda's Secondary and Temasek Poly.
Wait no more, contact me for exclusive viewing. This is IVU from AG Division, OrangeTee and Thai, serving you since 1996.